Hey, Xingxie. Oh, you know we're trying to capture a bigger market share by providing more services to our customer. So I need to create this app that will allow us to promote all the products and to track customer spending patterns.
So this app is targeted at mass consumer in ASEAN region?
Yes. So we need our product to be user-friendly. So user experience and the user interface are important to us. I suggest a clean layout so to ensure ease of adoption for our users.
This sounds like an amazing project. I think I'll gather my team and we'll begin working on this at once.
Hi, my name is Xingxie and I am a software engineer at Garena. A software engineer is someone who uses technology to create innovative products to solve everyday problems. Software engineers spend 90% of their time coding. Despite this, work is never mundane. Every day is a different day, so no two products that we are working on is the same. My role as a software engineer allows us to improve and customize features to solve different problems. We start out first by looking at the problem. Then we think about what the user needs and work out the entire architecture. From there, we work out how we want the app to be like. Other than coding, we design and write test cases to make sure our applications are well tested. All software engineers need to be able to code, but it requires much more than that to be good at this job. The nature of our job requires us to have a good time management to meet deadlines. Software engineers need to stay updated with the latest programming knowledge and constantly practice on different things to improve ourselves. Communication is also key, as we spend quite a bit of time communicating with different parties, be it with the customers or across different departments within the organization. What sets apart exceptional software engineers from others is their ability to understand how users want to experience and interact with the end product. If you want to be an iOS developer, it might be good to pick up Objective-C now, or even better Swift, which is the new programming language by Apple. If you wish to be an Android developer, it might be a good time to pick up Java. Once you become good in a few programming languages, you should be familiar with the different programming paradigm, and shouldn't be hard to move on to a different language of your choice. As a software engineer, we must be able to recognize the different security threats and the possible ways to prevent this. I was exposed to computers at a very young age and owned my first computer when I was only 5 years old. My father was an electronics engineer and he used to work with hardware. While I was studying in poly, my interest was focused on hardware as I wanted to follow in my father's footsteps. But during my last year in the university, I took an interesting module named Software Engineering on Evolving Platforms. I then began to develop a great interest in software development and subsequently pursued apps development as a career. In this line, you can expect every day to be very different. The projects that we work on are very diverse. We have to be adaptable to cope with the dynamic nature of the product development and innovation. When we finally complete a project after many hours of hard work, that sense of achievement is unparalleled to any other feeling. I love the challenges that I face every day. There are so many solutions to the same problem, but which is the best is the hardest to determine. The team culture for software engineers is also something I love. The iOS team that I am leading is a young and vibrant team. The team is always full of energy and ideas. We come together every week to share our ideas, knowledge, and also to learn from each other. With each achievement, we grow not only as an individual, but most importantly, together as a team. Currently, there's a huge demand of more than 6,000 development roles in the next 2 years. This makes up more than 40% of tech manpower demand. Singapore is also ranked one of the highest globally for smartphone penetration. Hence, I believe there will be demand for software engineers to help improve and develop apps for mobile users around the world. Technology evolves rapidly, therefore your skills today may become obsolete in the near future. So always be willing to learn to keep yourselves relevant. Work hard and don't take any shortcuts. The tech industry is booming and there are more demand for mobile applications, and we want you to be part of it.